the easiest garden fresh restaurant style salsa ever. So I'm gonna add half an onion and 1 jalapeno pepper to this. Now if you don't want it spicy, take the veins and the seeds out, but we like spice, so I'm gonna add that in. I'm gonna add in roughly 6 tomatoes, pretty decent sized tomatoes. A half teaspoon of salt. I might add just a smidge more because I think I have more tomatoes than it says. So a half teaspoon of salt, roughly, maybe just a smidge more. We're gonna do a teaspoon of lime juice. A half teaspoon of cumin. A 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, just a little sugar, not a lot. And then it says a clove of garlic. I'm going to do a little more than a clove of garlic. Hold on. I'm gonna do probably like 2 cloves of garlic. My garlic is frozen, but it'll thaw. And that's it. We're just gonna blend it all together. Now, it does actually call for cilantro. I hate cilantro with a passion, so I'm not adding cilantro to my salsa, but if you like cilantro, by all means, add cilantro. All right, let me check it. That's what it looks like. Looks like everything is blended. Tastes like it needs more salt. So I'm gonna add more salt. And then we can have Jonathan taste this later. Alright, that's the easiest salsa ever that you'll make. Let me kind of stir it up and then we'll have Jonathan taste it in a little while. And that's it.
Told me to dunk it in. I'm gonna break up. This is not a good idea.
It's a fantastic idea.
Not a good idea.
There's just no cilantro in it because I don't like cilantro and I didn't have any.
I'm gonna need some cilantro or something.
It needs what?
Eat something.
Oh, I thought it was really nice.
You know, I think it needs stirred out.
Probably. I didn't really.
I think I'm just kind of getting the top. And my taste is still, I think, messed up now.
Oh, yeah, because of your cold. Mm-hmm. Oh, my taste was messed up for a while.
Okay.
I like it. I mean, if you want cilantro, people can add cilantro, but we're a no cilantro house because of me.
No, it's good. I think it's just because my taste is off.
Mine was messed up until like a couple days ago.
Yeah.
But,
so I think like the garlic flavor I'm not getting.
Oh, there's actually a lot more garlic in it than it called for.
That's what I'm saying. I don't think I'm getting it because my taste is like off.
Probably not. But I like it. That's me personally. All right.
Got a good consistency. I like it that it's really diced.
Yeah. You like that it's more like on the watery side?
No, it's
all right.
Delicious. What I can taste. How do you do it again?
Well, you will be eating it again while I'm gone. Okay. Well, say goodbye to the camera.
Bye.
Goodbye.